Now student, we are going to solve exercise 1.5 question number 5. Rationalize the denominator of the following. Many questions are given here. I will solve one by one now. First of all, I am going to solve that first one, 1 by root 7. Now let's have a look how to solve this one. Student will write here solution, then Roman 1 by root 7. We are going to rationalize the denominator, which means, look here, rationalize means with the denominator I will multiply the same things in the numerator and the denominator. Now look how to solve this one. 1 by 7, 1 by root 7 here. Now same things will be multiplied here and there also. This is called rationalization. Now after that, the next part would be 1 into root 7 is root 7, and root 7 into root 7 means root 7 square. Root 7 square. Now square root cancels, so answer would be root 7 by 7. This is the answer of the first question. Now student, look the second question. Roman 2, 1 by root 7 minus root 6. So here I will write now Roman 2 solution Roman 2. Now question is given here. Look, question is given here 1 by root 7. 1 by root 7 minus root 6. Now I will go for the rationalize here again. Now how to solve this one? Look, here go for the rationalization, which means 1 by root 7 minus root 6 is given here. So same value will be multiplied with the numerator and the denominator, but sign will be opposite, which means root 7 plus root 6 here and root 7 plus root 6 here also. Now if we cancel these two, we'll get 1 by root 7 minus root 6 again. This is called the rationalization. If there is means a minus b, then there should be a plus b. But if there is a plus b, then there should be a minus b like this. Now look here student, the next step would be a plus b, a minus b, which means a square minus b square formula. So root 7 square minus root 6 square, and there could be root 6 plus root 7. Now square root cancel, there is 7 only, and square root cancel, there is 6 only. So root 7 plus root 6. Now next step would be 7 minus 6 is 1. So root 7 plus root 6. Now answer would be root 7 plus root 6. This is the answer of the second question, means Roman 2. Now student, next question is Roman 3, 1 by root 5 plus root 7. Now this one I am going to solve now. Look how to solve this. Now student, here also we are going to rationalize the denominator. Now look here, 1 by root 5 plus root 7. Sorry, 1 by root 5 plus root 2. Now root 5 plus root 2. Now here we'll multiply both the numerator and the denominator with minus. So 1 into root 5 minus root 2. Now look here, after that a plus b, a minus b, which means a square minus b square, and if you multiply root 5 minus root 2 with 1, answer will be same. So minus 5, sorry, root 5 minus root 2, and here square root cancel, so there is 5 only, square root cancel 2. Now root 5 minus root 2. Now next would be, there is root 5 minus root 2, and 5 minus 2 is 3. We can write the answer like this, root 5 minus root 2 by 3, or we can write like this also, root 5 minus root 2, same things only. This is the answer of Roman 3. Now student, we are going to solve Roman 4 here now. Look, 1 by root 7 minus 2. Now look here, we'll go for the rationalize again. Root 7 minus 2 here. Now since there is minus, so we'll multiply both the numerator and denominator with 2. So sorry, with plus. Now 1 into root 7 plus 2. Now if we cancel these two, we'll get the same result here. Now a plus b, a minus b, which means we'll apply the formula a square minus b square, a square minus b square here. Now look what will be the answer actually. So 7 plus 2. Now root 7 square, square root cancel means 7, and 2 square is 4. Now root 7 plus 2. Now if we go for the subtraction here, root 7 plus 2 and 7 minus 4 is 3. So answer would be 7 root 2 plus 2 by 3, or we can write that 1 by 3 root over 7 plus 2. This is the we can write this one also, or if we finish here also will be okay. This is the answer of Roman 4. Now student, we are going to solve that Roman 5 here. Roman 5 solution. And question is 13 by root 5. So this question is very much similar with the question number 1 by root 7. Simple. We are, since there is root 5 only, so root 5 will be multiplied both the numerator and the denominator with the same digit, means root 5. So next one, 13 into root 5 is 13 root 5, and there is root 5 in root 5 means root 5 square. Now square root cancel. If it is cancelled, then answer would be 13 root 5 by 5 only. This is the answer. Or we can write that 13 by 5 into root 5. Like this also we can write, or if we write like this also okay. This is the answer of Roman 5. Now students, we will go for the 6 plus root 5 and 6 minus root 5 rationalization. Now look how to solve this one. Same only like we did earlier. 6 minus root 5 and 6 plus root 5, which means here numerator is 6 plus root 5 and we'll multiply both the numerator and denominator with 6 plus root 5. Now look, if I use a plus b, a minus b, so a square minus b square here. Now 6 plus root 5, 6 plus root 5, which means 6 plus root 5 whole square. Now next would be 6 square is 36 and root 5 square is 5 only. Now here we can apply a plus b whole square formula. So a square plus twice ab plus b square. Now look, answer would be 36 minus 5 is 31 and 6 square is 36 and 6 to the 12 root 5 and root 5 square is 5. Now next would be 36 plus 5, how much? 36 plus 5 is 41 and 12 root 5 by 31. This is the answer of the question Roman 6. Okay, now next one is we'll go for the solution of 5 plus root 3 and 3 plus root 6. Now look, again we'll go for the rationalization. So 5 plus root 3 will be here. Now 3 plus root 6 and here 3 minus root 6. Again here also 3 minus root 6. Now if we go for the rationalization, then a plus b, a minus b. So 3 square and root 6 square. Now here if I go for the multiplication, 5 into 3 means 15 and 5 into root 6 plus 5 root 6, 3 into there is root 3 and root 3 and root 6 is 3 6 is 18. Now in the next step, 3 square is 9 and square root cancel means 6 here. Now 15 plus 5 root 6 plus 3 root 3. Now 18 can be written 9 into 2, 18. Why? Because 9 is 3 squared. So next step this could be 15 plus 5 root 6 plus 3 root 3. Then 9 means 3 square. Look, 9 means 3 square into 2. Now square root cancel, so 3 will be here outside and 9 minus 6 how much? 3. Now look student, after that, just after that, in the next step, 15 plus 5 root 6 plus 3 root 3. Now here is 3 root 2 by 3. Now here if we take 5 common here, then there could be 3 plus root 6, and if I take 3 common here, then there could be or 1. If I keep like this will be okay, or if I take 5 common here, then 3 5s are 15 plus root 6, and if I take 3 common here, then root 3 minus root 2 by 3. We cannot take 3 common because from here we cannot cancel these 3 and 3 because there is a plus sign. So this could be the answer of the question. Or we can do one thing, one more step we can write here. If we split up the whole answer, which means 5 3 plus root 6 by 3 plus 3 root 3 minus root 2 by 3. If we keep here also will be okay. If we do this step also will be okay, and if we do this step then at least we can cancel 3 here. So 5 by 3 and 3 plus root 6 plus root 3 minus root 2, this could be the answer of the rationalization. If we write up to this much will be okay. I repeat again student, don't confuse. If we write up to here will be okay, we'll get the full marks. If we write here also after taking common will be okay. If we write like this, split up the denominator, and after that we will getting the answer will be okay. Now student, look here, 2 root 3 minus 3 root 2 by 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. Here I will just do one changes. Here 2 root 3 minus 3 root 2. Since there is minus, so we cannot change the numerator, because if we change the numerator, minus will be here. Now here is plus, so we can change 2 root 3 plus 3 root 2 and 2 root 3 minus 3 root 2. Now next would be 2 root 3 plus 3 root 2, and here also 2 root 3 minus 3 root 2. Now with the numerator and the denominator we multiply 2 root 3 minus 3 root 2. 2 root 3 minus 3 root 2 and 2 root 3 minus 3 root 2. Now go for the solution. Now a plus b, take 2 root 3 as a plus b, a minus b, which means a square minus b square, a square minus b square. Now here a minus b whole square na, a minus b whole square. Now next one would be look, 2 square 4, root 3 and square cancel, 2 square 4, 4 3 is 12 minus 3 square 9, 2 square 4 and there is root 3, 2 square 4 and there is root 3 square means cancel 3 only, 4 3 is 12, 3 square 9, 9 2 is 18. Now look, a minus b whole square, a square twice a b and b square. Now next would be 12 minus 18 minus 6, 2 square is 4, 4 3 is 12, 2 square is 4 and root 3 square means 3, 4 3 is 12. Here 2 2 is 4 and 4 3 is 12, 12 root 6. Now here 3 square is 9 and square root cancel means 9 to the 18. Now look student, here after that there is 12 plus 18, so answer would be 30. 18 8 plus 2 10, carry 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3, 30 and 12 root 6 by minus 6. Now if I go for the changes here, minus 12 root 6 and plus 30, so we can cancel the minus easily both in the numerator and the denominator. So next would be, and one more thing, if I take 6 common from here, minus 6 if I take common, so there could be 2 root 6 and 5 6 the 30, sorry there would be minus only. If I take minus common there will be minus 6 common means 6 to the 12 here and 5 6 the 30 by minus 6, cancel both, answer would be root 2 root 6 minus 5. This is the answer of the Roman 7. Now student look, last question is Roman 9. Look how to solve this one. Here we'll go for the rationalize first, a plus x and root over a minus x. We'll go for the multiply with a plus x minus a minus x, both the numerator and the denominator. Here is a plus x minus a minus x and a plus x minus a minus x. Now look, just after that, here a plus b, a minus b, so we can apply the formula a square. A plus b, a minus b, so we can apply the formula a square minus b square. Now here a minus b, a minus b 2 times, which means a minus b whole square. Now look, next step would be square root cancel, answer would be a plus x, minus square root cancel, answer would be a minus x. But here a square minus twice ab, a b and b square, minus twice ab then b square. Now if I remove the bracket from the denominator, a plus x minus minus plus x, then here would be a plus x. Now 2 a plus x, a minus x, so either I will write a square minus b square here, or a plus x into a minus b x I may write inside the bracket, sorry, inside the root, and there could be a minus x, square root cancel. Here also, as you can see, a and a cancel, answer would be twice x only. But here a and a means twice a, and plus x minus x cancel. Since it is not in multiplication, so we can cancel x and x. Now remaining part would be a plus a twice a and minus 2 root over a square minus b square. Now if I take just 2 common from here, if I take only 2 common, so a minus root over a square minus b square by twice x, 2 and 2 cancelled, so last answer would be a minus root over x square minus x a square minus x square. This is the answer of the last question, Roman 9. Now student, we are going to solve exercise 1.5, question number 6, Roman 1. If x equal to 1 plus root 2, then show that x minus 1 by x whole cube equal to 8. We have to show this one. Now look how to solve this one. Look student, first of all I will write here solution. Then x equal to 1 plus root 2. Now next one would be, if I write here, look, if I write here in this part, if I write here 1 by x equal to 1 by 1 plus root 2, then this could be, go for the rationalization in the denominator, 1 plus root 2 and 1 minus root 2, then 1 into 1 minus root 2. Now next would be 1 a plus b, a minus b, which means a square minus b square, then 1 minus root 2. Now next would be student, look, so 1 square is 1 and root 2 square is 2, square root cancel 2 here, 1 minus root 2. Now next would be 1 minus 2 means minus 1, and there is 1 minus root 2. Now if I go for the changes in the numerator, which means if I take minus 2 here, which means if I take minus 2 common, then what will happen? Look here, if I take just minus common, then root 2 minus 1 will be here, root 2 minus 1 will be here, and there is minus 1, then minus minus cancel, so remaining part would be root 2 minus 1, which means student 1 by x value is root 2 minus 1 and x equal to 1 plus root 2. Now we are going to prove that x minus 1 by x whole cube equal to 8. Now LHS means left hand side. Our left hand side is x minus 1 by x whole cube equal to. Now just put the value of x. Value of x is 1 plus root 2, and value of 1 by x is root 2 minus 1. I repeat again, value of 1 by x is root 2 minus 1. We will go for the cube after putting the value here. Now look, just remove the bracket. I repeat again, just remove the bracket here. So 1 plus root 2. Now plus minus minus 2, minus minus plus 1 whole cube. Root 2 and root 2 cancel. So 1 plus 1 whole cube. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. This is our RHS. This is our RHS. Now last line I must will write that since LHS equal to RHS, therefore x minus 1 by x whole cube equal to 8, hence proved. Hence proved. This is our question number 6 Roman 1.